When you do a Camtasia presentation, at the very beginning, once you press start, you're going to need to make a few choices. You're going to get this black box, and in that black box, the first place you want to come to is on the left-hand side here. We're going to click on this button, and now we're going to get to choose the region of the computer that we want to present on. We just choose on these arrows. I can go up to choose region, then I can just click and drag, and I can choose the part of the screen that I want to go ahead and record. The next thing we want to choose is whether or not we want what's called a screen within a screen. Do we want our image overlaid on top of the image of the screen that we're recording? You go here and you click on this button, and that will bring yourself up like I'm here right now. And you'll notice I have a green screen behind me. I'll teach you a little bit later on how to get rid of that green screen and overlay an image onto it. The third thing we want to do is to provide for audio for our presentation. So we come on over here, we click on the button, when we click on these arrows, we get some different options. You can use your AirPods, you can use your built-in microphone, or if you have another microphone you want to choose to hook into your system, you can do that as well. Be really careful on this. If you don't choose the right options, trust me, I've had plenty of times where I've done a presentation, gotten all the way done with it, and I get blank sound. So you want to be really careful you choose the right type of audio. The last thing we want to do now, once we're all set up, is just go over to start recording, click on that, and it will give us the countdown, and then we can begin our presentation.